Welcome back, everyone. This is a follow-up from an older video, and I mean really old video from over 10 years ago. Aw, look how cute I was! I demonstrated how I removed the clutch nut from an Aprilia Vespa scooter. This method will also work on any other scooter that has a clutch similar to this one. And yes, this scooter was brand new, and this is the first time that it was coming apart. So we put the wrench on there, just like that. Sandwich it all together, hold it nice and tight, and then just gently, there she goes, and your nut's loose. Now you want to be careful that you don't unscrew this too quickly, because this contra spring that's behind it will cause the entire clutch assembly, nut, washer that you might have behind or any other parts to explode. They'll fly apart, so watch out for that. Now for some people, I might advise that you put this entire unit in a clamp to try to stop that contra spring from exploding in your face. But if you're careful and you have a really strong thumb, you can do just like so, and you now have your clutch assembly removed. A lot of things have changed since then, including the scooter having long since been sold, but I'm still here on YouTube. And over the years, many folks have said, hey, now that it's apart, how do I put this clutch back together? Well, here you go, guys. I hope this helps someone to demonstrate just how easy it truly is. Thumbs up for finally getting around to releasing this older footage. So the reason I had it apart to begin with was to put stronger clutch springs in, so that way the clutch engages at a higher RPM. This makes for much stronger launches and really helps if you're a larger person or if you like to do wheelies, for which I am both. Okay, you get your rear pulley assembly with the contra spring back together with the clutch on it. So you want to get the clutch put on there and you situate it because it has a couple of flat spots in there, so it's keyed, if you will. And it needs to be pushed down. Some people say this takes two people to do, and even with an aftermarket contra spring, I can still handle these myself. So it's just a matter of pushing down on this, straight down, getting it situated, and then just gently getting that nut into place. Hardest thing I always have is starting to thread on a damn thing. You can also use both of your feet to hold the clutch assembly to the floor, and then use both hands to get the nut started. There it is, all together. Get this sucker torqued down to where it needs to be, and we're going to put the pulley assembly back onto the bike. After it's all reassembled, make sure that you have a socket of the appropriate size for the nut, then stick the clutch assembly in a vise and torque it down to the specs of your engine. Sadly, after 10 years, I don't have that video clip anymore, but that's really all there is to it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out duckshit.net for all my different social media links, and thanks for watching.